They say that an aesthetic experience is an altered state of consciousness, like literally this perceptual experience in which you are shaken, right? In which you are perhaps decentered, actually transforms the neurochemistry of the brain. So if aesthetic experience is an altered state of consciousness, what are the chief characteristics of this altered state of bliss? What does it take perceptually to experience a work or an object of beauty? What is going on? What is the neurology of that blissed out perception of an object of beauty?
I think what the drone has done is it has brought back that excitement of controlling an external vehicle and bringing it under conscious control. And there's precedent for this idea for what's going on in the mind during these moments. They're beyond the skin back, but they're still tethered to the contents of our mind. Our mind, a feedback loop of brains, tools, and environment. So realizing that minds like ours are made for mating with non-biological props and scaffoldings, you can see then the invigoration, the freedom, the liberation that the drones bring to our cognitive apparatus, because the drone frees us from gravity. It frees us from the limitations of our weighing bodies on the floor. It frees us into the feeling of flight. And so for the mind, especially when you have drones that can be connected to the screen where you can see the drone's POV, I think that you literally mind mesh with it, and eventually the drone starts to feel like a part of your mind, decoupled from your body, radically extending the boundaries of selfhood.
Magical. I'm having an epiphany. I'm having an aha moment. This is so mystical. Well, because we pre-designed. We pre-decided to come here. We came to a mythic landscape that we could easily then appropriate into our buzzing, unfolding, waking trance state, our flow. Designing your life, stage designing your theater before you hit play on the play. Even if you're improvising, you've created a canvas for the improvisation to unfold, knowing that the canvas will feed back into the experience. Exercising control. You must take control of your life. Life exists in individual moments, and it is up to us to make sure that those moments are vital, interconnected, and grand. To make a masterpiece out of our lives, one that we would willingly live again and again for all of eternity. This is what we can strive for. Make of your life a work of art. Make of your life portal to the transcendent.